If you want to know about PNP programs for express entry of Canada, this video is for you. An overview of PNPs, how they work, and several key points. All the information you need to know coming up. Hey guys, this is Shitanshu. Welcome to my channel Dream Abroad. If you want to immigrate to Australia or Canada without paying hefty fee to the consultants, I've got tons of videos coming soon for you. Please subscribe. Alright, so some of you might not be aware of PNP or might have just heard about it. PNP stands for Provincial Nomination Program. There are overall 10 provinces in Canada and almost all the provinces have their own immigration programs. PNP for provincial governments is what FSW program is for the federal government. PNP allows Canadian provincial governments and territories to nominate individuals who are interested in settling in a particular province. Unlike FSW program, PNP programs do not automatically pick profiles from express entry pool. All the provinces have their own eligibility criteria and candidates have to apply individually for PNP of each province they are interested in living. PNP program is basically for people who could not clear the cutoff draw. Now let me explain through a simple animation how PNP magically increases your CRS score. Let's suppose this is the express entry pool and there are many people in there. The scoring is done out of 1200 points. Let's assume in a period of few months the CRS cutoff draw was at a minimum of 413 points, which was actually the lowest cutoff of 2017. Then obviously all the people above 412 points would get the invite. But there would still be some people left out who would have 412 points or lesser. Those people can apply for Ontario, Alberta, or PNP programs of other provinces. Based on the eligibility criteria, if they get the PNP invite from any province, then their points will shoot up as they will get 600 additional points for provincial nomination. And they would be given the invitation to apply the PR. Hope you now have a better understanding of this thing. Now let's discuss a few important points about PNP program. Your profile must be in the express entry pool before you apply for any PNP invite. Your profile won't be visible to the provinces if you haven't entered the pool. Another important point to be noted is that you need to pay extra fee for applying PNP programs. From approximately $300 Canadian to $1,500 Canadian from one province to the other. After receiving PR through PNP, you must land in that province and sign an agreement that you would live there for approximately 2 years. Another very important point to note is that PNP program opens and closes various times during the year. They might open just for a day or a few days, usually without notification. So your PNP application must be ready for that time and you need to be very alert. For a couple of PNP programs such as Ontario PNP, you need to get nominated by the province before you can apply and submit the application. Now let's see how the process actually works. All the people around the world willing to immigrate to Canada show their expression of interest by logging their profiles in the express entry pool. Now the ones who clear the cutoff get FSW ITA. But people with low CRS scores have to apply for PNP programs of the provinces where they're willing to live, like Saskatchewan, Nova Scotia, and other provinces as well, and pay their respective fee. These provinces will then select the profiles and send the invite to those people. But for Ontario PNP, that is not required. They themselves pick the profiles to match the demand of jobs in Ontario and send the invite. Then if the candidate is interested, he or she can submit the application and pay the fee. which by the way is approximately 1500 Canadian dollars, probably the highest among all the provinces. So this was the overall process of PNP programs and some key points as well. I would soon be posting videos specifically for each PNP program.
Thanks for watching. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment in the comment section below. I would also love to hear the feedback from you. Please like and share this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.